Hey YouTubers, look how pretty this is. I love the colors. This is Ocean Wave. I just love the colors, so I figured I'd bring it back and show you. I started out with mud, and it painted the whole nail. It took 2 times. Now I'm going to put the, it's S-R-A-S-O-T-A, sand on it. It'd be my next color. And we just want to do half of it. Want to put it, there we go, on half of it. We'll be back when it dries. Alright, now we want Spring Fling on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go just part of the way. We don't want it to cover the whole thing. See how that looks? Now we're going to outline it with the carbonate. Just put some on here. And then we're going to outline it. Bullet, quit! There you go, YouTubers. Ain't that pretty? Thank you. Bye.